Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just want to quickly show you a house that I'm looking at. So here you go, a house tour. So this is just a staircase. So this is the staircase. You go from up to down. And here is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. It's the type that has under the table fridge, and here should be the washing machine and the sink. And that's a little screws. I don't know where whatever is coming. So this is just a little kitchen anyways. So this is it. Just a little kitchen. So right here is a closet, just a little closet. No, it's not that little though. It's not very little. This is it. So you have like a hanger there and a switch control in here. So it's not so little. And here is the so this kitchen and the little closet is together. So I'm going to put all the light on to show you, and yeah, there you go. So this is what this place looks like, and this is the toilet and the bedroom and the toilet. I'll put the lights on. So obviously it's going to be needing a lot of cleaning. So this is what it looks like. So this is the type of shower you cannot close the cubbicle when you want to shower. Yeah, and this is like a little mirror. So this is like a little mirror on the sink, and just a 2 slab flashback, which will be easier to clean up. And there at the back is just where you put your towels and stuff like that. So that's just the toilet, and this is the living room. So it's just from the toilet to the living room, which I don't know how I feel about it. So this is the closet, and this is the closet. This is the kitchen. And you walk down, this is the living room. So by the side of the living room is where you see the toilet. I don't know how I feel about having my toilet very close to the living room. So this is the living room. It's not set yet anyways, so it's just literally the living room, you know. And yeah, that's just the sofa in there. So obviously I have a corner sofa which will probably come here if I decide to take the house. This house is rent to buy house, so you rent it and then prepare to buy it. Obviously the sofa has some tiers, so probably after, it's a very solid leather chair though. So probably after polishing it, I'll just sell it off. It's not really my type. It's not really my type of. It's too dubious for my liking. So this is the center carpet, which is very shaggy and thick. I love it. Very, very thick. So this has 2 windows, a little window there, that window, and then it has a door. I'll show you. Or rather, I'll open it this way. So this is the back garden. Oops, daisy. This is the back garden. So this is the door, the back garden door, where you can stay and do your barbecue. So at the back there we have Morrison shop there, so and you can go through that little door there. So it's a very good, place. This is the entrance where you walk in. You're like the main entrance to the house. Is that little stairs there, or you can take that little door there, depending on where you're going to. So this is the back garden. Obviously, if I'm here, I'm going to have to sort it out, clean it. This is late, by the way. This is not Newcastle. This is late. So clean it up, tidy it up, and bring in my barbecue. So obviously that is going to be under the shed. There's like a little shed there where you can sit, and there's umbrella and all that. I don't want to open this door because it's a little bit hard to open. So yeah, close this back up again. And yeah, it has like these are just chairs, like outside chairs to stretch out and all that during the summer. So the heater. So looking at it from here, this is what it looks like. There is a closet, there is a kitchen, and this is the toilet. And yeah, so this place is another little closet as well. Just where you hang your jacket and coat and put your shoes. Yeah, sorry, the video stopped. So this is where you put your shoes and all that. Just a little closet. I kind of like it because you put your traveling bags in there. Let me tell you one thing again that I love here. Wow, this place. So in the living room, this door leads to the main room. This is the main room with that beautiful chandelier. So I'm going to put the light on. So this is the room. It's not that big, it's not that massive like this. It's not that big. And one thing I love here is this. This is a walk-in closet, guys. This is massive. It's even bigger than the room. This is just what I love. Imagine this, you just like build it in a way that you put all the whole this place will probably be my YouTube room. Yes, my YouTube room, but side of it is going to be me building something like all these shelves around about here, putting my clothes, my shoes and things like that, making it look so good. There'll be flowers, there'll be chair. Maybe one of the chairs will probably sit in here. So if I have visitors and I'm in a studio, they can come in here. So this is going to literally be the studio. I just love it. It's just so massive. It's so big. It's bigger than the room. But the thing is, one thing I love it for is that it doesn't have a window. So when you're filming, you will not be hearing all this annoying noise and all that. It will be so pretty. So this is it, guys. Look, the closet is bigger than the room. How did they even plan this? I just love it. I love it. This is the only thing I love about the house. Yeah, so this is the main room. So the closet is just literally open. It's an open door. You don't have to close it. So anyone that comes into your room will definitely see your closet straight. And this is it. So that one is where you put the TV on the wall there, because there's a cable for it. And this is the window, the heater. Just put your bed and, yeah. I think the person that had it had the bed straight down. You can see that line, had the bed like straight like this. So you just like walk in and, yeah, do your thing. So the room, yeah, guys. So, this is literally it. So I'm going to close that door. Make sure I close all the whole. This is the other second closet and the third closet. I love houses like this because I love like spaces where you can obviously trunk in all your things. This one will literally be a store, my kitchen store, because the kitchen is here, and I'll use this particular one for my kitchen store where I'll put the food. I'll like build a shelf where I will put food and everything, drinks and things like that, because I like to buy my things like in bags so that it will last for me like in large quantity. so buy everything and put them in shelves like that. So I have everything I need because the kitchen is just there. So guys, that's literally it, and this is just the kitchen rolls, and yeah, so yeah, this is just it. I don't really fancy the kitchen that much. I don't know, maybe because there's nothing inside it, or my former kitchen is bigger than this, or maybe the color, something, I don't know, but I'm not really a big fan of this kitchen. I don't really, I think it's because of that. This boiler there, I hate boilers in the kitchen, man. They put me off a lot, especially seeing those cables and pipes and all that. It's not my thing. So I love the living room so much because it's very spacious, and yeah, I love it. Like, it's very spacious, and the design and all that. It's a very clean, very beautiful, clean house. So guys, let me know what you think. I know I've not showed my former house before. This is literally showing my present, thinking to move here, you know, thinking about moving here, and don't know what you think. What do you think? I kind of, what I like about here is the living room is massive, the walk-in closet, the bigger one, and all these little closets that it has, this one and that one, I love them very, very much. The room is not so big, but with the closet, obviously I'll be able to put all my things, you know, in there. And this one will be my jacket closet, and maybe visitor's jacket and all that. And that one will be my food store and all that, and then toilet, kitchen, and bath. I didn't like, I wish the what do you call it, I wish the toilet was not there. It would have been better. I wish it was like literally closer to my room, like closer to the room where you wake up in the morning, you go to the, rather than, imagine having visitors, you have to like walk past from your room to the toilet, and the visitors are here. Imagine that. That's one thing I don't like about it. Other than that, I think it's just beautiful. So yeah, tell me what you guys think. Thank you, and I will see you in my next other video, guys. Bye.